Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone, today we are going to do the next operations in this. Earlier we have done the select and sample. Now we will do the aggregate. This is also most commonly used record operations. It is very useful when you want to take the aggregation or average of the specific column. But before that, your data should be very clean and it should be handled by the missing value if you want to take the average. So this data set I have already imported in my data in my this flow. If you don't know how to import it, you can go to the previous video and watch it. So this is our sales data, and from here what we need to do, we will click on this aggregate, drag and drop it here. Now click on it, open. This I want to look at the take the average of the age. So what is the age? So we can look at the data set here. If you click on the add columns, you can choose any column name from here which you have in your data set. If you want to take the average of age, you can take it, and if you want to take the average of any other value, you can do that. We can only take the average, sum or count of the integer type. If you have a discrete or ordinal type, we prefer the mode way. So for example, if I have already chosen the OK, we will click on OK, and here we will go down. I have chosen the mean and sum. If I only want to take the mean of this one, I can choose this one. And if I want the median, I can choose that one as well. We can click on save and then run. When you click on the run, it will apply these conditions on our data set. Now we will do the preview. Here. So it is showing us that age is 35, its record count is 39. This means it is showing us the average sum of our or aggregation of the given column age. So this way you can use the aggregate function. Apart from that, you can also use the sort one. We can drag and drop it here. We will close it. Now go here, open. So this record operation is used to sort the data set. If you want to sort any column ascending or descending order, you can use this. So we can again go here, add columns. From here, we need to connect it with our data set first. So what we can do, we can connect it with it and click on this. Now we can take this one. If I again consider this age, I want to sort it in ascending or descending. Right now I have chosen the ascending order. So we will save it. Now we can preview it. So this will sort my age column in ascending order. You can look at it. It's showing 19 first, then 20. So this way you can sort your data set. Apart from this, we will talk about the next few important operations from this field in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.